Today we have chapter 6, triangles, that is similarity of triangle. Okay. So just we discussed what are similar figures. If the shapes of two figures are same, they are similar, right? For example, all the circles are similar. Whether they are large in size or small in size, they are similar because their shapes are same. Okay. So similar figures means if the shape are same, they are similar. Okay. We have some more examples here. What do you think about two squares? Suppose you draw a square at one time and after some time you draw another square. What do you think? Their shape maybe differ? No, beta. The shapes of a square are always same. If you draw a square on board or anywhere and ask a student what shape is it, he will always reply with a square. Why? Because the shape of a square is always same. Their size can be different. For example, you can see this square and this square. You can take, for example, these two squares. The size of this square and this square are different, but their shape are same. So they are similar. Two squares are always similar. Okay. What about two triangles? What about two triangles? Are the two triangles always similar? No. If the triangles are equilateral, then they are always similar. Two equilateral triangles are always similar. All the equilateral triangles are similar. Okay. For example, we have this triangle. This is a right angle triangle, and this one. Are their shapes same? No. So similarity of triangle depends on type of triangle. Means if the triangles are equilateral, they are similar. Otherwise, we have to look whether they are similar or not. They may be similar or may not be. These three figures are similar, you can see. Their size are different, but shapes are same. So they are similar. Here we have the similarity of polygon. Similarity of polygon. So we have already discussed what is a polygon, right? Polygon is a closed figure made by line segments. Polygons are closed figure made by line segment. For example, a triangle is a polygon. One is a closed figure and made by line segment. Minimum line segment required to make a polygon is 3. So the smallest number of sides a polygon has is 3, and that is triangle. Okay. A circle a polygon? No. Circle is a closed figure but not made by line segment, so it is not a polygon. Okay. Triangle is a polygon, quadrilateral is a polygon, pentagon is polygon. Similarly, any closed figure made by line segment is polygon. Now the topic is you have two polygons. Okay, you have two polygons, and someone asks whether these two polygons are similar or not. So how will you identify whether these two polygons are similar or not? Right. Here we have Here we have a definition that is telling us when the two polygons are similar. There are two conditions that a polygon must follow to be a similar. Here, the first one is their corresponding angles are equal. If we have a two polygons, for example, suppose we have a two triangles. Okay, their corresponding angles must be equal. Here, this triangle A, B, C, and in triangle P, Q, R. Here, let's say this one is the angle 1, this is the angle 2, and this is the angle 3. If the measure of all these three angles are, their corresponding angles are equal means the measure of this angle must be in this triangle also, right? Now I am taking another example better. Suppose here this angle is 60 degree and this one is 70 degree. Sixty, 70, 50. Okay. So what would be the measure of, what should be the measure of angles of this triangle so that these two triangles are similar? 70, 60, and 50. Their corresponding angle must be equal. The corresponding angle of angle A is angle P, angle B is angle C, angle B is angle Q, angle C is the angle R. Okay? Their corresponding angle must be equal. So, angle A equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle Q, and angle C equals to angle R. So their corresponding angle must be equal. This one is the first criteria. Second, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Here we have the corresponding sides. Suppose here AB and PQ. The corresponding of AB is PQ and the corresponding of BC is QR and the corresponding of AC is PR. So their ratio must be similar, same. Their ratio must be same. Okay? Means their ratio means AB upon PQ. This is the ratio of AB and PQ. Must be equals to the ratio of BC and QR. And that must be equals to the ratio of AC and PR. Okay. So if these two conditions are fulfilled in any polygon, means their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, then the two polygons are similar. One question arises here, sir, how will we identify which side is corresponding side? For example, we take here ki AB's corresponding is PQ and BC's corresponding is QR, AC's is PR. है ना? Beta, if there will be a question there, in that case, you will get the measurement of the sides. If the measurements are there, then you can only identify which side is the corresponding of this side. Okay, so that will be more clear when there will be a question. In the questions, that will be clear. Which sides corresponding is which side? Which is the corresponding of AB in this triangle? That will be clear only after there will be the when there will be measurement of all the sides. Okay. So remember it. Okay. Try to remember it. These two things, their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, or you can say also their corresponding sides are proportional. If these two things, any two polygons are following these two things, they are similar. Okay, whether that is triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, no matter. If these two things are there, those two polygons will be similar. Now we have one example here. Here you can see कि A, B, C, D and P, Q, R, S are two quadrilaterals. huh? Quadrilaterals, or you can say these two are polygons. Now we need to know कि they are similar or not. So we can say we will first of all we will search two things or what corresponding angles, corresponding angles and corresponding sides. Okay, beta. So first look at this corresponding angle. So here angle A's measure is 105. Is there any angle in this whose measure is 105? Yes, P. So A's corresponding is P. These two angles are same. Similarly, B's measure is also there. B and Q are equal. C and R are equal. D and S are equal. Okay. So here corresponding angles are equal. So first criteria is fulfilled. Means corresponding angles are equal. Now we have to check the second thing, corresponding sides. So corresponding sides are proportional, are in same ratio, or you can say proportional, are in same ratio. They not need to be equal. They are in same ratio. Okay. Corresponding side are in same ratio. So DC is 2.4 or SR is 4.8. Now find the ratio of these two. You will get 1/2, right? DC upon SR equals to, you can write 2.4 upon 4.8. By simplifying, you can write 1/2. And in the case of CB upon, now find the ratio of CB and QR. CB is 2.5, QR is 5. This one is also 1/2. Similarly, AB upon PQ. AB is 1.5, PQ is 3, This is also 1 by 2. And at last AD upon PS. AD is 2.1, PS 4.2, that is always also equals to 1 by 2. So we can see here कि the ratio of DS, DR, DS and SR, CB and QR, AB and PQ, and AD and PS. All these ratios are equals to 1 by 2. So we can say that sides, these sides are in proportional. Means they are in the same ratio. They are in same ratio. So we can say that the second criteria is also fulfilled here. So we can say that these two figures are similar. Their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So we can say they are similar. Okay. What about these two figures? A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S. Are they similar? Yes. These two figures are similar. Their corresponding angles are equal, 90-90. The corresponding sides measure are also not similar. Yes, beta. Here it is a 3.5, right? Sorry. This one is 3.5 and this one is also 3.5. And these all are 333. Right? What about these two figures? They are not similar. Why? Here, the corresponding sides are looking similar. We can see that the corresponding sides are similar, means I mean to say that they are in the same ratio. CD, SR, you can see CD upon SR equals to 2.1 upon 4.2 equals to 1 by 2. Similarly, you can check BC upon QR 2.1, 4.2. That means that is going to be equals to 1 by 2. Their ratio is going to be equals to 1 by 2. AB upon PQ 2.1, 4.2 means 1 by 2. AB and PS is also 2.1 upon 4.2 means 1 by 2. So their corresponding sides ratio are same. But the angles are not same because this one is a square. Here all sides are equal. Na? This one is a square. Here 90 angle is 90-90. And its angle is not defined here. So their angles are not equal. That's why they are not similar. Okay. Let's move to the exercises. Fill in the blanks. All circles are congruent or similar? Similar. Not congruent because two circles are congruent only and only if their radii are equal. Okay? They are similar. Always similar. All squares are similar or congruent? Similar. Because all squares are similar. For congruency, their sides must be same. It is not necessary that all the sides of all the squares are same. All triangles are similar or isosceles or equilateral. Equilateral triangles are always similar. Na? All equilateral triangles are similar. two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal. This one will be going to fill in the first, and their corresponding sides are proportional. This one is going to be filled in the second one, equal. Equal will be here and proportional will be here. Okay. Here we have to give the example of two different examples of pair. Similar figure. Two circles, two squares, two rectangles, two equilateral triangles. There are many examples. You can take any one. Okay. Two circles, you can write two circles simply. Two non-similar figures. A circle and a square. These two are non-similar figures because their shapes are different. Now state whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. These two quadrilaterals are similar or not? Not. Why not, beta? Here corresponding angles are not equal. We can see कि 1.53, 1.53, 1.53, 1.53. If we are going to find the ratios of these sides, the ratios are proportional. Means all the ratios are equals to 1 by 2. Right? SR upon DC. SR upon DC is equals to 1.5 upon 3 equals to 1 by 2. Similarly, RQ upon CD, 1.5 upon 3 is equals to 1 by 2. So, corresponding sides ratio are proportional. But the angles are different. Here is 90 degree, this one is not. There is a no 90 degree angle in this. So, it is not following the both criteria. That's why these two figures are not similar. Clear?